What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've been thinking, there's all the conversations around becoming, an XRP millionaire, and how do you get there the easiest, right? And everybody wants that easy money, whether it's going to happen quickly or happen in a long period of time. They want that easy money to know that they're guaranteed to get um, $1 million or become an XRP millionaire. And I think I may have figured out the way to go about, investing into crypto. And I've started to lean more towards that way. I've talked about it many times. And I've never heard the term said. So that's why I kind of coined this term, which is forever coins. And when you look at certain coins, certain projects, there are forever coins and there are ones that you may not want to hold forever. You may just want to hold for a short period of time. While those do show you a potential to essentially be a forever coin, it's still not there yet. So when we talk about XRP, we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about Ethereum, we talk about Solana, and many others that have a use case and have a reason to hold them and use them. Those are what we call, or what I call, forever coins. It doesn't mean that you have to hold your entire position forever. It just means that you need to hold something forever. So I'm going to explain kind of the best way that you can become an XRP millionaire in this video. If you guys want to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for Twitter, for Patreon, for also Margex. If you guys want to get invested into XRP a lot sooner with a cheaper amount of money, you could possibly do that by putting in 100 at a 5x leverage. You now have $500, or 1,000 at a 5x leverage. You have $5,000, giving yourself maybe 10,000 coins potentially. That you are invested into with the $5,000 that you're investing into while only risking 1,000. Now you want to understand that this is very risky, that you can lose absolutely everything if it does go south. However, if it doesn't, you can gain a lot of money in the short period of time that you would hold the XRP. Let's say you do get up to a level where you gain $5,000 worth of gains from it. Now you can go and say, I want to hold 10,000 XRP for myself. And then you go ahead and spend the $5,000 that you had left in there to buy the XRP and have 10,000 XRP. Same thing goes for a lot of other things. Just make sure you understand that leverage trading is very risky. Also, check out my link for Trade Assist if you guys are interested in that. It is a great platform to where you can find your, buy alerts, sell alerts, bullish momentum, bearish momentum. If you guys check this out, basically it shows you where the sell zones are, bearish zones, or bearish momentum, and you have the buy zone, you have bullish momentum. It'll give you the ability to dollar cost average in, as well as find short-term, trades that can make you money. So feel free to check that out. The link is in the description. But let's go ahead and start with where XRP is right now, and then we'll talk about what we're here for, at least, and what I did with mine, right? And what I plan to do with mine, but it's tough to do it while I'm over here, talking about it constantly. But if I can instill this thought in you while I'm continuing to do it the opposite way just because I have to for the video, then that's fine. I want you guys to be able to do it the right way and make money. I'm okay with you guys making way more money than I'm making, right? There are people out there that will make, that have made $100,000 on Jasmine coin. I haven't made that much. I only invested a certain amount. I made $20,000 and other people have made so much more. So I want you guys to make a ton of money. And I hope that that really does come true. I want to hear your success stories. But if we go in here and look at XRP where it currently stands, it's up by 1.5%. It's one of the only things, or one of the few things in the top 25 that is up quite a bit. compared to like Bitcoin. Ethereum, I think, is up by 1%, but there's other things that are down by like 2% or 3%. But XRP is up by 1.5% at the moment. We did see that it got to 61 cents yesterday. And right now it's at 59 cents. It's at a $33.5 billion market cap with $1.1 billion worth of volume. So I think it's in a good spot. Seeing XRP up at the 60-cent level, that's great for me because I invested at 52 cents. All of the positions I had, my average cost basis was 52 cents. So that's fantastic because now I'm able to profit, or at least have profit in my unrealized gains, which is great. I'm not going to take any of it right now. This is not my level. But as time goes on, we will see that transpire. But we're not here just for where XRP is. There's not really much news on XRP besides the potential ETF and the trust and what that could do for XRP and cryptocurrency as a whole. What we're here to talk about is the fact that what I try to do every day is I forget that this is the best method to becoming an XRP millionaire, in my opinion. Forget that you hold XRP. And I'm not saying that forget that you hold everything. Forget that you hold a certain amount. If you have 1,000, forget that you hold 200. If you have 10,000, forget that you hold 1,000. If you have 100,000, forget that you hold 10,000. The reason why you need to forget that you hold it is because, not saying forget where it is, like put it in a safe spot so that you can come back to it in 5 or 10 years or 20, whatever you want to, but forget that you hold it. Because if you do that, you're setting yourself up for success to not see the price as it is and go, oh my God, 10,000 XRP is worth $100,000. 10,000 XRP is worth 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, 10 million, whatever. You don't see that, right? Because you're not actively looking at it. But you can actively look at the amount that you have left. The 90% that you have left, do a 90-10 split. And honestly, this is an XRP video, but it goes for anything. Anything that you see that has potential, you give it a 90-10 split. I've given so many things a 90-10 split. Now, the one thing that I didn't give a 90-10 split was CRO. I have probably 30 or 25% that's over here. But try and do the 90-10 split and just put it to the side. Put it into a ledger wallet. Put it into somewhere that you'll never see it for as long as you can look at cryptocurrency. You'll never see it. That's honestly the best way that you can become an XRP millionaire. Because you think about it, let's say you have 1,000, right? And we get down to a point where it's 5 years from now, and XRP is either bought out, by the Fed or heavily used in banking and many other places online, and you use it from person to person, and it's just the best way to use it. They're using it in like a Cash App situation. They're using it in PayPal and all these things to transfer money easily. Now it's at a value of $1,000. You didn't see it this whole entire time. You decided to take the 9,000 that you had and you were making moves. You left yourself with 100 maybe from there, but you had, you were making moves and making money, and it's great, right? And you were, paying your taxes that you had to pay. But then you have this 1,000 that's sitting over here. This 1,000 is now worth $1 million, or even greater. It could be worth $10 million. It could be worth $5 million, whatever. You now set yourself up for success by just holding it for the long term. You should always have your forever cryptos aside to where you forget about it, set and forget it. I can't do that because I continue to give you guys kind of pointers on how to forget it. And I'm looking at my balance every time. I haven't looked at my balance in maybe 2 months. So I've been trying to do that to where I don't look at that. But I know that those coins are in there, right? I'm continuing to talk about it. My CRO, 100,000 CRO, my 100 AVAX, my 100 Litecoin, my 100 or 10,000 XRP, and just all of these things. I know that they're over there, right? So eventually I'll forget it, but I just want to give you kind of this advice before I start to forget it, because I want this out here before I forget it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say this in the future is that I forgot that I hold XRP, but I became a millionaire from it. Right? That's what I'm gonna say. Obviously, I think I'll have multiple millions of dollars before that, but still, in my bank account rather than just in my long-term investments and my net worth overall. I want to be able to say I have the ability, if I wanted to, I'm not going to. I want to say I have the ability to spend $1 million right now. I could tell you right now, I don't have the ability to spend $1 million. I can liquidate a bunch of stuff and then things, transpire and that ends up happening. But I don't want to do that, right? I want to be able to say I gathered this from XRP, I gathered this from Shiba Inu, or I gathered this from whatever. I want to say I gathered this and now I have the ability, if I wanted to spend this, even though that's probably going to go into my long-term accounts anyways. And then I'm going to basically be in the same boat, just making a lot more money daily from my dividends. Anyways, guys, before I just continue to talk, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the link for Twitter, for Margex, for Patreon, Trade Assist, and everything else that's down there. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.